This is part one of a multi-part series on learning how to program in HTML and make your own website. So the first thing you want to do is we're going to need to set up our HTML environment. You know, the files and stuff we'll be actually programming our website in. We'll be setting all that stuff up in this video. The first thing you want to do is create a new file on your desktop. Name it whatever you want. From here, open up your new file and we're going to create a new text document. Once you create a new text document, open up that text document and then do File, Save As, name it index.html, and do All Files. This will create a .html file. You can now delete the text document. Now, if we double click this file here, it'll open up the HTML file in your default web browser. As you can see, it's the directory on my computer of which this HTML file is located. So now we need to edit our HTML file. So we need to find a good program to do this. Now, you might have already have Notepad++ installed, which is a fine program to use, but I would recommend using Visual Studio Code. It's a completely free download and it's available for all operating systems pretty much, Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. Press this little green arrow or this little green drop down once you get to the download page and press the stable installs for the operating system that you use. I'll be leaving this download in the link in the description. Once you've got that done, you can right click your HTML file and open it with code. It's now going to open up that index.html file you made. Once you're in here, let's just do a little test to make sure everything's up and working correctly. Type something like hello world. Go to File, save it. Now go to your directory of where that HTML file is located, the double click that we did earlier, and reload the page. You should see your text pop up. In the next video, we'll be going more in depth on how to, make your web page better, add new lines of text, and all that good stuff.